The skies are buzzing with whispers of a new era in aerial combat, one dominated by unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. Among these whispers, two names rise to the forefront: India's Ghatak drone and Europe's Neuron. These aren't your everyday drones. They're stealthy, they're smart, and they pack a punch. The Ghatak, shrouded in secrecy, represents India's ambition to field a world-class stealth combat drone. On the other side of the world, the Neuron, a product of pan-European collaboration, stands as a testament to Europe's commitment to staying ahead in the rapidly evolving drone arms race. These two technological marvels, though separated by geography, are united by their shared purpose to dominate the future of aerial warfare. The stage is set, the Titans are ready, and the future of aerial combat hangs in the balance. The Ghatak, Sanskrit for lethal, lives up to its name. This stealthy combat drone, still under development by India's Defence Research and Development Organisation, or DRDO, is designed to be a game-changer in the skies. The Ghatak boasts a flying wing design, similar to the US B-2 Spirit, which minimizes its radar signature, making it difficult to detect. It is estimated to have a wingspan of around 16 to 18 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of around 15 to 20 tons. Powering this beast is a homegrown turbofan engine, likely a variant of the GTX-35 VS Kaveri engine, designed for high-altitude, long-endurance missions. The Ghatak's armament will likely include a mix of internal and external weapons, including precision-guided bombs and air-to-surface missiles. Across the continents, Europe has been busy forging its own path in the drone arms race, culminating in the Neuron, a stealthy unmanned combat air vehicle, or UCAV, developed by a consortium of European aerospace companies led by Dassault Aviation. The Neuron represents a significant leap forward in European drone technology. The Neuron, like its Indian counterpart, features a sleek flying wing design optimized for stealth. It is slightly smaller than the Ghatak, with a wingspan of 12.5 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 7 tons. A single Rolls-Royce Turbo-Meca Adour engine powers the Neuron, providing a top speed of Mach 0.8 and a combat radius of over 1,000 kilometers. The Neuron's stealthy design is further enhanced by its internal weapons bay, which houses a variety of precision-guided munitions. Section 4. Head-to-head. A tale of two titans. Comparing the Ghatak and the Neuron is like comparing a hawk to an eagle. Both are apex predators, but with distinct strengths. The Ghatak, larger and heavier, is the endurance king, capable of carrying heavier payloads over longer distances. The Neuron, smaller and nimbler, excels in agility and penetration, slipping past enemy defenses with relative ease. In terms of stealth, both drones boast advanced features. The Ghatak's larger size might necessitate a greater emphasis on radar-absorbent materials and design, while the Neuron likely relies on its smaller size and composite materials to minimize its radar cross-section. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to strategic needs and operational doctrines. Section 5. Beyond the Horizon. Implications for the future of warfare. The development of the Ghatak and the Neuron signifies a broader trend in military technology, a shift towards unmanned systems. As these drones become increasingly sophisticated, they promise to reshape the battlefields of the future. Their ability to operate autonomously, strike with precision, and evade enemy defenses raises profound questions about the nature of warfare in the 21st century. The rise of stealthy combat drones like the Ghatak and the Neuron also has implications for global power dynamics. Section 6. The dawn of a new age of aerial combat. The Ghatak and the Neuron are more than just technological marvels. They are harbingers of a new era in aerial combat, one where unmanned systems play an increasingly prominent role. As these drones take to the skies, they bring with them a host of opportunities and challenges, reshaping not just the battlefields of the future, but also the geopolitical landscape. Striking the right balance between autonomy and human control will be crucial to ensuring these technologies are used responsibly and effectively. The development and deployment of these advanced drones underscore the importance of continuous innovation in the face of evolving threats. The future of warfare is being written in the skies, and the Gatak and Neuron are just the opening chapters.